Hey guys, this is Kira Louie again. Just call me Louie because I don't know what else to do with my life. There's a storm outside. This has never happened to me.
It was like really bright. Like it looked like someone was like
We
shining.
were just playing Minecraft. What would you call it? Thunder?
Lightning. Yeah.
Okay. And lightning struck right next to us. And it was really scary.
Spooky, scary skeleton.
I think
But it
I'm
was like-
stuck here, Haley.
Ooh, that's an issue. Okay, give me my flashlight back. Ooh, that's actually cool. Okay.
Cool. I'm terrified.
Like downstairs and get my phone charger. Cause like your iPad and my phone are gonna die. No, it's fine. Cause if people are together and nothing will happen. Cause they don't like multiple people.
So we're gonna go downstairs, I guess. See you there. Here is the
My
first
suit.
suit.
Can I just? Oh my god, that's the most cute thing you've ever done.
I just want to look out the outside world.
I don't. I have my keys. I forgot about those. Wow, I'm wearing a panic shirt. Soul is sun in Spanish. Right? I speak language.
I need to sneeze. Okay, we both just like stop for a few seconds just for me to sneeze.
I sound like an elephant when I sneeze. Do
And
you
I
need a
sound
compliment?
like a cat.
Pick your battles, I mean. Like, come on. Hello, Jazz. I'm getting a nice view of Jizzers. My face is sickly. We're gonna do that. He hates me.
I keep sneezing.
Okay, there you go, Jazz.
Hey, Joe.
Go be her nephew. Your phone charger like should not work.
Sneeze on your
Hello there, mate. Don't sneeze on my child.
I'm trying not to.
That's to not make a mess. That's to not make a mess. Sure.
Do you pick up Gecko like that?
No, you pick him up like Scooby. Yes, like that. That's how you pick
Like
up
he's
Gecko.
flying.
But you don't do that.
Does he like getting pat on his stomach?
It's backpacks and chin packs. Or chin
Packs?
packs. Back pets and chin pets.
Scared.
Your face scares me. Why are my eyes so sweaty? Take your nephew back. Come on, nephew.
Hey, nephew. Oh my god, you look so cute like that.
Don't hold it like that. He's stupid and he might try to kill himself. Black, white, green, or blue. Show off your natural hue and flamingo.
Oh.
He hates you.
Ooh, you wanna go in my sweater? It's really soft in there.
I feel like you may as well adopt that as your child.
You saw nothing. Oh look, right away, Deku.
Oh my god. Perfect.
Hey,
Hey.
I love this already.
Are you done? Chaz goes there. You can take her.
That's all shows up on my For You page. Just Todoroki and Deku.
Oh, I'm not logged in. That says something. I'm not logged in. It's already playing my Ooh.
Oh my god!
Ooh.
It works.
I mean,
Bad quality.
I can do TikToks on my computer, Mom. She has confidence. That's the scrunchie I gave you. The blue one? one that sat in my drawer for like 2 months.
I remember when we were fighting over it. I'm like,
Like,
Haley, what are you
give it
gonna
back.
do with these?
I was like,
She's like,
take it.
look, I look like Draco Malfoy, right? That's what I'm gonna look like when all this tie-dye comes out.
So many people ship Draco and Harry.
You're Harry. You have glasses. You have red hair.
Okay. Stay.
Okay, anyways, guys. P.S. myself. Just myself. All we did today was try and catch a video of lightning. And then it stopped raining. And we did this for nothing. But we're gonna post it anyways.
This is just chilling.
Us just chilling, doing nothing with our lives. Okay, I'm probably gonna keep that in the video. Anyways, guys, see you maybe next weekend. But it's probably gonna be posted on like Monday or something because I take a really long time.